And then, two suitors,
Plumage shining.
egos high. But let's be real, only one can win her heart. The fluff off begins. One step forward, another to the side. Feathers fly, tails rise like flags of war. And just like that, one walks away, tail down, defeated. Meanwhile, Mr. Fancy Tail here, he's just getting started. This isn't just a dance. It's his heart in motion, a bouquet of feathers, for the one he chose. He won her heart, and now they walk away together, because love really does win.